How to fix LinkedIn login problems on Android. This tutorial walks you through the steps to get back into your account. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Swipe down from the top of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, double check that you're entering the correct email and password. Tap on the eye icon to reveal your password as you type it. From there, if you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it via your email. Right here, once reset, try logging back in and see if that resolves it. Next up, long press the LinkedIn icon from your home screen and tap App Info. Moving on, tap on Store. Then go ahead and tap Clear Cache. From here, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop. Then tap OK to confirm. After that, open the Play Store, search for LinkedIn, and install any available update. Finally, if you're still locked out, open your browser and try logging into LinkedIn.com directly. If that works, the issue is specific to the app, and reinstalling it should fix it. Hope this helped you get back in. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.